And I'm going to show you guys real quick on what I had asked this question in my Nomad video, if anyone knew what these little humps area were right here. I'm going to show you real quick exactly what these were designed for. A couple of people got it right, few didn't know what the hell it was, and I get it. I get that question a lot. It kind of looks like a little devil's face to me. I always thought it's on the stern and bow. This is the Nomad medium, which is the Nomad. So it's also on the Nomad 8.5, but I'm going to show you real quick exactly why those were added. On a conventional grab handle would normally be in the bow like this. It's kind of like big enough to grab a hold of. Has a short area up there. I'm going to use my little toe tether thingy to clip in right here. If you watch, when you clip into this and then I start to pull, you see what it does to the gate on this wire gate carabiner. So if I'm pulling, it actually opens that up if I'm in this direction right here. So this would be the bow of the boat, and imagine pulling that right there. So now let's clip it on up here. So unclip here. So let's say you're in a pin situation and the only thing I can get a hold of is the top of your bow sticking out right there. If I reach over and I clip onto right there, look at how now the carabiner rests at that edge. It still will open a little bit, but it's like it's nowhere near as bad. And then if it shifts over, it locks into that spot right there. And it could be on pretty much every direction right there. Obviously, you know, a smart person would try to go in from that side, ideally, and that's how it locks in. It also helps add less pressure on the side of the boat right there. But if for whatever reason, you know, if you clip in fast, you're going to clip however you can. So I'm going to try to clip it in. It actually rides right along in there. So there's the bow. And also, it does the same thing on the stern. Yeah. So it'll like lock into place right there. So yeah, that's what the design of these little divots in the bow and stern of the Nomad is used for. But yeah, thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.